Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science by Shopify full guide. Begin by choosing one clear learning objective and a time block to avoid overwhelm. Gather your notes, textbook, and a blank sheet for diagrams. Read a single concept, then explain it aloud in simple terms and write key points from memory. Test yourself with quick problems and flashcards to reinforce understanding and spot gaps to revisit. In this video, I will review how to make a roux with flour. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling sharp while you cook. It's a playful little pick-me-up between stirring and tasting. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make a roux with flour. Start with a small test batch. 1 tablespoon flour to 1 cup liquid for medium thickness, or tweak to taste. Match roux color to dish, pale for velouté, brown for red-eye gravies. Always finish by seasoning after liquids are added, and simmer briefly to cook out raw flour flavor so your sauce tastes balanced and glossy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.